I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on keyboard and mouse. Many players find KBM offers unparalleled precision, especially for aerial maneuvers and quick camera adjustments. While it might feel different from a controller at first, with dedicated practice, you can unlock a new level of control. We will cover essential bindings, movement techniques, and advanced strategies to help you master the game using KBM. Get ready to elevate your gameplay. Let's dive into essential key bindings. The default setup uses W, A, S, D for movement and Shift for boost. However, many players customize these. Consider binding jump to spacebar for easier access and power slide to a comfortable thumb button on your mouse or a key like left control. For advanced aerial control, assign air roll left and right to keys like Q and E. Experiment to find what feels most natural for your hands. Mastering movement and aerials is crucial for KBM players. Practice techniques like half flips and wave dashes to maintain momentum and recover quickly after challenges. When airborne, utilize air roll to make precise car adjustments, allowing for better shot placement and defensive blocks. Focus on consistent car control, aiming to hit the ball with the center of your car for maximum power and accuracy. Repetition is key to building muscle memory. Now, let's explore some advanced KBM techniques. Learning to dribble the ball on top of your car requires subtle mouse movements for fine adjustments. Practice wall shots and ceiling shots to add powerful offensive options to your arsenal. To truly excel, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to free play, focusing on specific mechanics. Additionally, utilize custom training packs to refine your skills and challenge yourself consistently. Keep practicing, and you will see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.